Good morning, guys. Elvira here. I hope everybody's having a wonderful weekend. I finally got my place open up at the lake and had some major storms up there, which sort of scared me. So that's why we're doing the cooking today. But today what we're going to do for breakfast first is everybody's asked me for the quiche, and I thought I did this one, but I guess I didn't. So let me wash my hands here. And it's real easy. It's 127 calories per piece. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to grease our pan, preheat the oven to 350, and you're going to grease the pan, and I just use a little bit of Crisco, like this, just get it around there. Yeah, I had me a little scare Friday. I had to go to one of the islands, and the only way you can get in off is either by plane or ferry, and I had to take the ferry, and we had a really bad thing with 15-footers, and I thought I was going to be a goner there. Then when we got out in the middle of the lake, they said, oh, we might be canceling the ferry, and I was like, seriously? And my luck, it would happen. So, but we got lucky. Once we got out there, it was decent, because I had to meet a client on one of the other islands. So alrighty, so we got our pan greased like this with Crisco. We're going to set it to the side. We're going to grab 6 eggs. And what you're going to do is just throw them in a bowl. Crack on. I gotta get one more. Okay, so we got 6 eggs in there, as you can see. Now, we're going to cut, let me put these away, get these out of my way. Put these in the bag. Okay, wash my hands there. I like to always have washed my hands. Alrighty, so, wash my board here. Okay. Now, we're going to take a cup of milk, and I do measure on this one because if I don't, it doesn't work right. Salt and pepper you're going to use, but you're just going to do to taste, whatever you want. So, I just, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, shake, 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 and it goes good. Get my milk here, a cup of milk. We're going to measure up a cup. Okay. Whoops, sorry guys. And you're going to take some spinach. So you're going to get like, for 20 calories, you would get 3 cups. So, just going to chop it real fine. And that's about 3 cups. About 3 cups, just smash it. And then we're going to chop, chop, chop. And we just chop away. So that's why we're doing our cooking. And also today for lunch, I'm going to show you guys a stir fry that's real healthy. But this here for breakfast, I thought, I keep getting asked on it. And I thought, you know what, we'll do it again. And our oven is ready, because I just heard the beep, beep, beep. And then we got chopped. So then we're going to mix our stuff like this. probably one of my favorites, guys, for breakfast. Either that or I use a poached egg, which everybody, you know, anybody can make a poached egg. So we got it like that. And then we'll take this out. We got our spinach chopped here. So now we're gonna put our spinach in there. Okay, our spinach. We're just gonna mix it around. I always think it looks pretty. I just like yellow and green. It makes me think of always summer and springy stuff. But look at that. Doesn't it look pretty? So, we got that. Now, we'll leave that like that. We got to take 2 slices of cheese. You can use any kind of slice, but always use deli cheese. I never buy cheese in a package. So, we're going to use 2 pieces of Swiss, but you can use any. And all cheeses are usually 80 calories a slice. Some are less, but I think that if you stay with regular cheeses, you know, 80 is a good thing, and you know that you're pretty good, you know. And this is just really easy and it's healthy. And you're just gonna throw it in the bowl. Like this. Mix it up. Like that. And then what we do, get our pan. Okay, and where's my pan? Pour it into the bowl, guys, like that. That's what it looks like. We're going to put it in our oven at 350, and we're going to bake it for about, let me see what my recipe calls for. I'll tell you because I forget. You have to bake it for 45 minutes. So in 45 minutes, I'll show you the outcome of the final product. But this is so easy. There you go, like that. And 8 minutes to make. And then I'll put it in the oven for 45 minutes here. I will be back, guys, in 45 minutes. See you in a bit. Don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to hit subscribe. See you in a little bit, and I'll show you the outcome of the quiche. Bye. God bless you.